Right, it's Monday, March 25th. I bought SMCI super microcomputer 980 calls at 47.44. They're already kind of asking 50, well, they're up to 52, asking 56. Just thought I'd highlight, an aggressive trade I decided to take here. This is on the 5-minute breakout. Sometimes I do that as I watch for that 15-minute chart to unfold and see if we could end up with a big green bar, which we did, and follow through higher. So that confirms kind of the up structure on the day. On these aggressive trades, there's generally context in play. First of all, the 5-minute chart is breaking above that pre-market high right here. So if we look at that, that's doing that, closing strongly green, following through on bar one. And I put an immediate stop at the midway point of that bar in case I'm wrong. And then I closely watched the next two bars. And now obviously we have the confirmation. What I really liked about this one is on that up opening on the inside bar on the daily chart, we had a target to 994. So I knew if I'm buying it here around the 982 area, we're likely hitting this 994 target on that first move, no matter what. And maybe maybe at that point, the 15-minute chart fails and comes back down. At that point, I can exit break even and then see if that 15-minute chart eventually turns green. But in this case, it looks to be a good, follow through to the upside. And in the big picture, I kind of, we know it's a big uptrend stock here that's had a little bit of pullback on the weekly chart, but it had a nice buying tail. So at some point, you're expecting, another pause and push up to test those highs again around the 1200 area. Inside bar from last week, started up with a target, aggressive 5-minute, structure. So I just thought I'd point that out. At this point, it's asking 63. I bought it at 47. So all kinds of ways to take gains or, set up a no-risk trade. But just wanted to highlight sometimes, on the 5-minute chart, you just kind of make a decision to give it a shot aggressively, hoping that 15-minute chart closes green and follows through and starts the directional day. At this point, there's a target now all the way up to the high, this red bar above 1100. I don't know if it's going to have the momentum that it exhibited, back during these days here every day. But at this point, there's all kinds of ways to treat it as a no-risk trade. As long as it holds the midway point of this bar, I'm looking for just a push up, pause, second push up on the day, and we'll just kind of see if this is the beginning to a strong, green week to the upside.